Assalamu alaikum. Today we will perform a simple JavaScript task. In this task, we will when we click on a button, background should change and Hexa code background should display here. First thing is that what is Hexa code? Hexa code is combination of 6 characters. It included alphabets and counting characters. As we know in hexa counting, uh, after 9 there is A, B, C, D, E and F. It end on F. Similarly, in hexacode it also contains A, B, C, D, E and F. When we combine alphabets and counting, it makes a hexacode. Again, review this code, this project. When I click on background, click to change background, its background should change and its hexacode should display here. Currently this is structure. There is nothing action is on this button. I am open the inspect element so that I can view the errors here. Now we need two things for JavaScript. First thing is that I need this heading to change the text with hexacode. Second, I need perform action on this button. And also one more thing I need is that background to change its color. Firstly, I will briefly tell about the structure I created for button and heading. I used default layout of Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio and also using live server extension. You can install it from here. This is extension. You can install it here. I'm just using h1 tag and button tag. Button h1 tag contains your hexa code, and we will display our hexa code here. And second thing, this is a button. We will perform action on it. I am not using on click command. I am using add event listener. Or I link the script and also link the CSS file. In CSS file, I add padding margin on the body so that I can view it clearly. I added some styling on button. I changed its background color, added margin from top, changed its text color, applied font weight bolder, font size 24. I added padding so that I can easily view the text. And I also added hover on it. When I move cursor on it, its background color should change. And this is nothing. I just added in H1. Just added the margin on it. You can add background color too. It depends upon you. Now I'm moving to JavaScript. In it, I am first creating a function which will perform color change. As earlier I told you, I need this heading. I am getting this heading, background and act button. For button, let heading document.query selector. I am using query selector. You can use get element by ID or any other according to your h1 tag. This is for button, background, body, and this for button. I am changing variable name btn and background bg. Let's check whether this function is working or not. Heading, I am applying in HTML. This will add text instead of This will add heading h1. It replaces h1 text with this. Let's check it. It's added hello here. Now it's working well. I am applying button action on button btn dot event listener. Add event listener. Firstly, I will tell you how it event listener work. We add here two things. First, event. What kind of action you are performing on it. Second, event. Second, your function reference. I am adding click and function name. Change it. This is function reference. This is my event. Let's create this function. In this function, I will perform all important actions that I need to change background color. Sorry. In this function, I need to do some important things. First thing is that I need array. Why I need array? Because I have to generate random colors. For hexa I need following numbers: 1 2 3 4 5 0 a b c. I need these for the array. Let I name it color is equal to I hope you know that after 0 there is A, B, C, D, E. Now I have created alphabets counting array. One more thing I'm going to tell you: these are also string characters. 1 2 3. These are also characters. Now why I need this? I need to generate randomly. I will use this array to generate hexa code. For this, I need a loop that will create 6 characters. I already told you that hexa code contains hash and then 6 characters. For this, I am creating a loop. In this loop, I will start from 0 and end to 6 I plus plus. This loop will run 6 times. I will generate random numbers. Why need random numbers? Because I am generating random color using this array. For random, I will use a math function random. I create a new variable rand that will perform math dot floor. Why I am using floor? In math object, math.random generate decimal values. To say from decimal values, I convert them into floor. This will give me 0 or 1. Floor values, it will give me some values that is closer to it. For example, if I multiply 9 with 5, it will give 45. It will give me 4 instead of 45. This will generate random variables. Why I multiply it with color dot length? Because its length multiplied by this number. For example, this will give me index of numbers like index 10, index 11, index 15, index randomly. It will give me the index of numbers. Now I have generated random numbers. Now next thing is that I need hexa code, a new variable, right? Hexa code. I told you that it start from hash. I already save hash in it. Now I will do last thing to generate hexa code. Hexa code. Now what will this thing do? This thing will do. It get a random index from here, from this array, and then color index, get that character from this array, and add it continuously for 6 times. For example, first time it already has, then next time it get f1 c e d f. It will generate it randomly. 6. Now last thing, I have to add action. For action I need background contains body background dot. I have to add style on it, change background color. I have to change it with the hexa code. Let's see what it will do. It changes color randomly. Now I have to show its hexa code here. How I will do it? It's a pretty simple thing. I just need to do is get heading and replace extract with hexa code. It's giving me hexa code here. It's working well, and you can upgrade this program by adding different features like change button color, add some more buttons here, change cover, change sidebars, navbar colors. You can do multiple things with this. I hope you understand this. Thank you very much.